In a vast Lithuanian wood, an acorn fell where an oak tree once stood. I'm just a small nut, the wee acorn sighed. What good can I do? And then nearly cried. A wise owl perched up on a branch overhead spoke to the acorn, and here's what he said. You may feel tiny, you may feel small, but you're part of something much bigger than all. Every creature and plant, from beetles to trees, is linked to the others like threads in a weave. The sun and the soil, the rain and the air, what touches one soon touches everywhere. So sprout, little acorn, and grow big and tall. Stretch your branches out wide, stand up straight and tall. Offer shade to the weary, give squirrels a home. Let your roots hold the soil so it doesn't roam. For in this grand tapestry we call creation, every stitch has a part, a role and relation. You may be one acorn in a forest so wide, but the universe notices each choice that you decide. So the acorn took heart and began to grow, and rejoiced it belonged to life's marvelous flow. For nothing is alone and nothing too small in the infinite web that connects us all.